we will just walk over to the very right side of your mat, and then we will bring the right foot down onto the ground. Keep the stance pretty wide, so we have a little focus on the glutes, fingertips behind the ears, elbows nice and wide. Get back into your Pilates breath, in through the nose, out through pursed lips, belly in. Keep the abdominal tension, breathe in, and breathe out. Let's connect the breath with movement. So bend the knees and the hips, breathe in. And as you exhale, shift your weight onto the left foot and bring the right big toe towards the mat. So inhale, open and go down. Exhale, transfer and tap with the right big toe against the mat. You can keep the right big toe grounded. If you want more, we're gonna add a rotation to the right. Inhale, come back to neutral, bend the knees and the hips. Exhale, rotate, weight is on the left foot. If you want even more, we're gonna pull the knee up towards the breastbone, towards the chest, knee lift, and inhale, step down. Pulling the pelvic line towards the rib. And then find your variation, big toe on the ground, with the rotation, without the rotation, or maybe even with the knee lift. And let's go for 3 more rounds. Glutes helping you up, helping you to extend the hip. Don't stress, don't rush. It's not a race, slow it down, 2 more. Try to move everything at the same time, and then we're gonna meet on the left foot here. Inhale, extend the right leg to the side, eyes forwards. Exhale, knee towards the chest and rotate. Inhale, side leg lift, coming back to center. Keep the left knee softly bent. And exhale, knee lift and rotate. Got it? Let's go for 4 more rounds here. Whew, last 2. Point the right foot, pull the leg into the length. When you have arrived in the side leg lift again, bend the left knee a little bit more, stay upright. Crown of the head is pulling, lifting you up. The leg is parallel, kneecap is facing forward. And then start to pulse with the right leg. Ooh. Hold your balance, find your balance. And pulse the right leg. Out the thighs, glute medius working here. Imagine you're stuck between 2 walls. You just can move to the side. Breathe in into the rib cage. Breathe out, reduce the distance between belly and back. 2 more breaths here. Come on, lift the leg a little bit higher. And with the exhale, we're gonna stop the movement, bring the right foot onto the mat and walk it out. Shake it out, and we walk over to the other side. So it's time to relax the left foot a little bit. Bring the left foot on the ground. Fingers behind your ears, nice and wide stance. Let's start from the very beginning to the other side. Inhale, come down. Exhale, transfer the weight onto the mat. Left big toe stepping towards the mat. Open and come down. Exhale, grow an inch taller. Maybe add the rotation to the left. Not only moving the arms in the rotation, also move the spine. And maybe you want to add the knee lift. Yeah, think more about pulling the pelvic line towards the rib instead of just lifting the knee. Yeah, so the powerhouse is helping you with that. All right, choose your variation. Keep moving. Three more. 2. Work with muscle control, not with momentum. With the next round, stay on the right foot. Exhale, hold. Inhale, extend the left leg to the side, side leg lift, eyes forwards. Exhale, knee lift, maybe with the rotation. Inhale, left leg long. Exhale, rotate, belly button in and up. Before you rotate, the powerhouse is already active. Imagine your corkscrew, you're twisting up towards the ceiling, growing into length. Last 2. Ooh, it's becoming tough in the right foot. Stay in that side leg lift, hold it at the sweet spot, maybe bring your arms to the side and start to pulse. Left leg, the kneecap is facing forwards, so try not to turn out, stay parallel. Oh, balance is gone now here. Don't worry, it's okay. Just try to come back to a conscious breath. The focus will come, the control will come back. Last 2 breaths. Last breath. Exhale, stop the movement. Bring the left foot onto the mat as well and just walk. And now there's the best part. Stepping off the mat and feeling what is going on in the feet. Okay, so stop the movement. Come down. Ooh, relax your arms, your shoulders, close your eyes and turn on the inner eye. Send it towards your feet. Maybe the feet, the skin, everything is super warm. Maybe feeling grounded through the feet. Maybe the feet are really flat on the ground. Maybe the awareness about the arches in your feet has improved. You can feel a bit more space underneath the inner edges of your feet. Maybe. And then open up your eyes, shake it out. Good job. Maybe you let me know in the comments down below what has changed here in your feet or maybe in your whole body. I'm very curious about it.